Hi ma'am, good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, good morning. I am Alami Oliverio Anticuando, 29,
And where do you live ma'am?
from Bilingual Cagayan de Oro,
And what is your marital status ma'am?
single ma'am.
Do you have children or kids?
No,
How many siblings do you have?
3,
And what is your order in the family?
I'm second ma'am.
So can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate
And what is the reason why you did not finish your study?
because of the financial problem.
So do you have work experience abroad?
No ma'am.
So how about local experience ma'am?
I have 5 years experience as a helper ma'am.
Ah,
Here in Philippines.
Okay, so from what year ma'am?
2016 to 2021.
Alright, so from one employer.
Yes ma'am.
So, can you tell me your duties and responsibilities there?
Cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, and I am preparing food for employers' children.
Okay, so how old are they, ma'am?
8 years old.
Okay, so is that all? Do you have any duties and responsibilities there?
I'm washing car mom.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am loyalty, trustworthy, I'm hardworking.
So, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes ma'am.
So, can you show me your tattoo?
Here, ma'am.
Okay, so aside from that, do you have any other tattoo?
No
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, so what is the meaning of your tattoo, ma'am?
It's infinity ma'am for the family.
Okay, so did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad?
To help my parents ma'am because they going to older.
Okay, so because of your parents.
Yes
So are you scared of dogs and cats?
ma'am. No ma'am.
How about big dogs, ma'am?
I'm not sure ma'am.
Okay, so do you have pets at home?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, so can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
Talk
If
to them and keep calm with
in handling with them?
yes ma'am.
Okay. So what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, hardworking, loyalty, and patient.
Okay, is that all, ma'am?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, thank you.